So today we're going to be showing you our pendulum exercise, which specifically focuses on the shoulder muscles, trying to gain that range of motion and loosen out any tightness or stiffness that you may have. So to start off with, you're going to use the non-injured arm as a supporting hand, hinging forward from the hips, which means leaning slightly forward. You're going to slowly swing your arm gradually forward and backwards for the first movement, going as far as you can but without pain, and you're just letting the arm hang nice and relaxed. For the second movement, you want to do a side-to-side motion, which means bringing the arm across the body and out towards the side. You're going to repeat this exercise as well for about a minute, and again, going nice and gradually, loosening the arm without any pain. For the third motion, you're going to now perform a circle, going nice and round, again going at your own pace for about a minute, and at 30 seconds you can now change the opposite direction. So you're going both counterclockwise and clockwise.